Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by lowering stimulation. Move to a quiet, dim room and sit or lie down comfortably. Once done, place a cool compress on your forehead or the back of your neck. Cooling contracts blood vessels and reduces pain signals. Make sure to sip 200 to 250 milliliters of water slowly. Rehydration can reverse a dehydration headache. Breathe slowly and deliberately as you settle. Because immediate calm and temperature change create the first measurable drop in discomfort. Now address muscular and nervous tension directly. Perform progressive muscle relaxation by tensing each muscle group for 5 to 7 seconds, then releasing, move head to toes. Once complete, switch to diaphragmatic breathing for 5 to 10 minutes. Inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 6 to stimulate the parasympathetic system and ease pain. Make sure to include gentle neck, shoulder, and upper back stretches, holding each 2 to 3 minutes to reduce referred pain and restore normal posture. Finish by restoring circulation and balance. If the headache lingers, try 5 to 10 minutes of light aerobic movement like a brisk walk to release endorphins and reduce sensitivity. Once moving, apply acupressure to Li4 between thumb and index and GB20 base of skull for 30 to 60 seconds. Steady pressure can interrupt pain pathways. If symptoms intensify, change pattern, or persist beyond 72 hours, make sure to seek professional evaluation. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.